Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to make a quick TA on Bitcoin right before the market opened. As of right now, it does look like you're going to be hitting some sort of resistance on the stochastic, or it's not resistance, sorry, support. So as of right now, sometime today or tomorrow, I actually am expecting a $70,000 Bitcoin. We're about to close bullish on the reverse MACD for the hour. Last time this happened on this oversold level, we actually ended up running from 65K, almost 66, to 68K, right? So around the $3,000 gain. I think as soon as we close, I think we can mark it from 67, about a $3,000 gain would take us to 70K. And I think today or tomorrow, we might actually see a $70,000 Bitcoin, because it does look like we're going to be closing bullish in the next 51 seconds. So, well, actually not bullish, but we're starting to see that weekend market. We created a bear market, a bear cycle back on November 8th at like 10 o'clock at night, maybe 9 o'clock at night. And you really didn't do much. You went from 68.2 to lows of 67.3. So only about $1,000 drop. It does, like I said, it does look like you're going to be in the next possibly hour or two. You are going to be closing bullish on the hour. And we might see a $70,000 Bitcoin sometime today or tomorrow. I think I can basically call it now. Well, not call it now. I think once we get confirmation of this bullish close right here on the hour, I think we're basically set up to close, bullish and to basically hit $70,000 on Bitcoin. There it is, right? There's that perfect. There's that trigger. Well, not that trigger, but in 1 hour, if Bitcoin manages to run up, there's the trigger that we're looking for, right? So in 59 minutes, if Bitcoin ends up, closing bullish, I can see a 70K Bitcoin today or tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.